Assam Rifles arrested two active cadres of the band organisation Pripak at Kairao, Langdum, Imphal East during a search operations this morning ahead of Republic Day celebrations. The arrested persons were identified as Yentembam Amujang Meitei alias Pari, aged 34 years, son of late Y. Ibomchang Meitei of Langthabal Kunjam Mamang Laikai, Imphal West District, and Sarang Then Pratap Singh alias Chingsuba, aged 35, son of late S. Ibopisak Singh of Bamon Laikai, Nahabam, Imphal East District. They were arrested from Langdum Lamkhai near the waiting shed at around 9:15 a.m. today. The All India Congress Committee General Secretary and Manipur Unit Part in charge Gaurav Gogoi arrived in Imphal yesterday for a 3-day visit. Talking to reporters at Congress Bhavan today, Gaurav alleged that the Indian Apex Court's order to Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Kim Chan overtaking decision over Minister T.H. Shyamkumar's disqualification case is a directive to the Speaker on performing his duty efficiently. A landmark judgment of Manipur High Court directed state government to pay minimum of rupees 18,689 per month of home guard within 8 weeks. The judgment stated to pay grant of duty allowances at such rates, total of which 30 days comes to minimum of the pay to which a police constable in the state government is entitled to pay, that is rupees 18,689. The judgment order passed by High Court Justice M.B. Muralidharan single bench yesterday also mentioned that the minimum of the pay should be effective from this going month. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee observed the 123rd birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose today at Congress Bhavan. The observance was attended by General Secretary of All India Congress Committee and Manipur in charge Member of Parliament Gaurav Gogoi, Congress Legislative Party Leader O. Ibobi, Member of Congress Working Committee Gai Khangam, President of MPCC M. Okendra, along with other members of the party.